Have you ever thought about serving on a school organizational team or even the school board, but felt maybe a little intimidated about your overall understanding of educational policies, funding, budgets, or curriculum? Well, the good news is there is a program for that. It's called the Public Policy Leadership Series for Education. Kara Clark is with the Las Vegas Metro Chamber of Commerce and its Leadership Foundation. Lori Thompson is an attorney with Greenberg Traurig. She is also a graduate of the Public Policy Leadership Series. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mitch.
So the program is also often called PEOPLE, just for short, right? It is a joint program of the Leadership Foundation of the Chamber and also the UNLV Greenspun College of Urban Affairs. What do you hope to provide in this 6-week program?
Really a much better understanding of all of the issues that really go into effective education. Things like governance. How does the budget work? These are multi-billion-dollar budgets, and we need our leaders to understand the mechanics and how they work. Accountability, roles and responsibilities, and really what good public policy is when we're talking about education.
Right. I've never heard of something like this before. I understand the importance because there's a lot to keep track of, obviously, if you're going to be involved. Where'd the idea come from?
Well, it's really, the Leadership Foundation, our mission is to develop quality leaders at every level, Leadership Las Vegas being our flagship program. But we realize there's not really a training ground for people, whether they're a parent or a business leader or somebody who wants to serve on a school board or a school oversight technical committee. There's nowhere for them to go. So we created that space in this program and really hope that it's a training ground so that our leaders can be more effective decision makers.
Right, have that basic knowledge that a lot of us, I don't have. Lori, I think you have some of it because you are a graduate. You're a graduate. You went through the program last year. Tell me, what kinds of things have you learned or do you find helpful?
Well, first I do have to say I'm a graduate of the program, but that doesn't mean I'm an expert.
Okay,
so
got it.
I have to be a little careful there. I think what happens with education is people don't really realize how many different facets there are and how they affect the education. When you get down to the real nuts and bolts of it, it's about a student and a teacher. And so what all goes into that, and I think you also don't realize that the public schools in Nevada need the participation of all of the people in Nevada, because at some level you have an influence over public education. And it might be as simple as if you have no children, you pay your taxes. And your property taxes help fund education. If you do have children, you just put your children in the program, but you don't really realize how much your children, what you do at home, affects the program as well and other children. And so that's kind of at a lower level, and then you get to the higher level, where you realize it has to do with federal funding, federal regulation, state funding, state regulation, and local funding, local regulation. So it's not only those big regulatory bodies of administration, but then it's the people in Nevada that get plugged into those roles. And whether it's an elected position or an appointed position or an employee, or whether it's the intersection of the nonprofit world, which is really big here. Especially in Las Vegas, we have a lot of nonprofits that supplement the public education programs. And then you get into special needs programs and both the requirements, and it starts to get a little bit overwhelming. But I think it gives you some compassion for what people go through to try to make our education system better.
Kara, so it's a 6-week program. It meets on Thursdays. How do can anyone apply? It's an application.
It's an application, and the class starts on September 6th.
Okay.
They take place at the Greenspun College at UNLV. Just go to leadership.vegas and you can find the applications there and fill out the application and email them to me.
Okay, and we just want to let people know these are quickly the role of a board member: education and budgets, funding, curriculum, evaluations and accountability, higher education policy areas. Those are the things that will be covered, one topic each week.
And it's a combination of professors instructing as well as people in our community who are engaged in education, sharing their experience and expertise.
Wonderful. Appreciate your time. Hope this works out well. I hope we get a lot of participation.
Thanks, Mitch.